Dual-sided 10x magnifying this two-sided 360-degree swivel design luxury mirror features 1x10x magnifications. 1x, full face view, and 10x, to see every detail up close. Smart Touch, 3-tone LED ring light with auto shut-off timer. Choose cool, bright clear, natural, replicates daylight, or warm, date-night special occasion, shuts off after 15 minutes of inactivity. Concave Lens creates the magnification side. For clear, undistorted view, look into the mirror at 4.2 inches or closer. See maximum distance recommended guide. 4 AA battery 2-port USB can be cordless, using only batteries, not included, or, operated by 2-port USB adapter and cable, included, which allows you to charge a device while using the mirror. US-based customer service. Ovente warranties that the product shall be free from defects in material workmanship under normal use conditions, for 1 year from the original purchase date. Top reviews from the United States. Near perfect. My wife says great. Exactly what she wanted. Excellent structurally sound mirror. Basically very satisfied. My biggest concern may never be a problem, but if the mirror mount loosens so that the tilt angle is not maintained, there is no way to adjust the friction. She uses batteries, not the plug-in.